Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Today in this video I'm showing you how to plant bottle gourd seeds. Fill your pot with the given growing medium and level the surface. Wet the soil with water to provide the right environment for seeds to germinate. Plant seeds about 1 to 2 inches deep in group of 3 seeds, then cover them with growing medium. Keep the soil moist by spraying water twice daily. Germination: the sprouts should emerge within 10 to 14 days. If you want quicker germination, soak the seeds overnight in water, prior to sowing. Water requirement: check the soil once or twice daily for moisture loss. If it feels dry, it's time to water. A healthy bottle gourd plant needs water in a uniform manner, so that the soil does not dry up. Proper watering in the growing season encourages plant flower and fruit. If not watered well, the plant will have a weak produce. Transplanting and plant growth: once the plants have reached at least 1/2 foot in height, it's time to transplant them to a pot or open space. Fertilizer: in order for plants to grow well, it's important to provide the right nutrients. Contains organic micronutrients. Use it as per instructions. Harvesting: your plant should start flowering within 40 days of planting. Bottle gourd produces white flowers, about 4 inches in diameter. Bottle gourds should appear within 50 to 60 days of planting. Insects and diseases: powdery mildew can be a problem in humid hot weather. If mildew develops, remove the affected leaves. In order to avoid mildew and rotting, make sure the plant gets good air circulation and proper water drainage. Nutritional value: bottle gourd has high water content and is a rich source of vitamin C and K and